To all Cardia chain holders out there, big news for all of us. Let's go! Okay, so right now mga pisan, sisilipin natin ang isa sa hinahawakan nating coins or altcoins. Ito nga si Cardia chain. So, we are looking to bull same as sa nangyayari sa buong crypto community. As of this moment, mga pisan, we are now looking at 1 month chart of this Cardia chain. Kung makikita nyo sa ating RSI, we definitely have a cross above and meron tayong resistance sa RSI ng 46.69. But then again, kung makikita nyo sa Stach RSI natin, the momentum is very high mga pisan. Marami ang nagkakaroon ng kumpiyansa when it comes to Stach RSI for the momentum of the coins. Nakita natin dun sa ating Stach RSI blue and red going up mga pisan, going up. And of course, dun sa ating RSI, we definitely have a cross. Kung titignan nyo dito, nung nagkaroon ng cross dito sa December ng 2023, it was rising and nung nagka-cross down is pumawa siya from dun sa ating Stach. But a different story as of now. We definitely have a great cross and cross above to Stach RSI. So definitely we are seeing things for RSI as of this moment. Kung makikita nyo dito sa ating price action, ang 0.001838 is the bottom of the story. And right now, sumasabay na nga si Cardia sa ating bull. Look at the other cryptocurrency and the total market capital is 3.48 trillion. We are expecting the total market capital of all cryptos including Bitcoin and others to reach at least, mga pisan, at least $4 trillion, at least 4.4 trillion in this bull run mga pisan. So definitely kung makikita natin, RSI is looking good, including the Stach RSI, and definitely we are going to hit the 4 trillion for this bull of 2024 and for the first quarter of 2025. So, kung napanood niyo yung mga last video natin regarding kay Bitcoin, every 1 year, every 4 years, nagkakaroon siya ng massive bull run. Right now, it's happening before this year and we will hit another all-time high. And for the next quarter of 2025, we will definitely hit another all-time high before this thing collapse. Before anything collapse mga pisan. So, hanggang doon na lang ang ating video at maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you mga peace sa mga susunod nating video. Bye-bye!